Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 2nd. This is my recap of the top 8 videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound dollar, along with the other dollar pairs, instead of going down for a wave C, what ended up happening is we had a perfect ABC correction to this last move up. Very, very, very nice setup right there. Now, looking at this one, you would actually kind of think that this is possibly a wave A, and this move up right here is possibly an ABC of B. If that is the case, then it possibly will go up to either the 100 or 123, break structure to the downside, proving it is a wave B and continuing back down. Now, if we compare correlated pairs, especially the euro dollar, which actually looks like it needs to keep on going up, then that may not actually be the case. It actually could, maybe bounce off some fib levels, but most likely it would continue to make higher highs, higher lows. Either way, we got our Fibonacci extension on there. We know what our extension levels are for a wave 3. We know what our extension levels are for a wave C. So we should just enjoy this nice long opportunity and learn and earn at the same time, because most of us did get in these trades at the bottom and they are going very, very good. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here at the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups at the time of entry that I share with my members by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.